What's driving markets? Welcome to Market Take. Each week, we'll bring you our insights on the latest market and economic trends that are impacting investments. I'm your host, Wei Li, Global Chief Investment Strategist at BlackRock.
Tech companies are investing heavily in developing artificial intelligence. How can investors map the course on this emerging trend? Here are three key phases of AI's revolution that we think could help guide investors. We see the AI revolution unfolding in three phases: build-out, adoption, and transformation. Let's start with build-out. This is where we are now. Tech companies are investing heavily in the race to build the infrastructure that AI needs. Data centers that provide AI capabilities are more costly than traditional data centers across all three of the main cost components: building the data center itself, installing chips and servers, and powering them. We see big cloud providers and chip producers benefiting, along with firms in the utility, energy, industrials, materials, and real estate space that provide key inputs for this build-out. Moving to phase 2, adoption. As data centers come online and AI matures, adoption across industries is expected to accelerate. Companies are still learning how to harness AI. We think they will invest in AI to reshape operations and drive growth, with winners emerging beyond the tech sector in industries like healthcare, financials, and communication services. And finally, phase 3, transformation. This is where companies could unlock the full value of AI adoption as broad productivity gains and new business models and industries emerge. The magnitude and timing of these changes remain uncertain, and it's possible they don't materialize at all if adoption is not as widespread as expected. Identifying winners here is particularly challenging. Some of them may not even exist yet. The bottom line is the AI opportunity is just starting. We think investors should prepare for the transformation phase, but the opportunities from the build-out phase and in early adopters are here and now.
For more details, read our weekly market commentary. Go to www.blackrock.com/weekly-commentary. Thank you for tuning in. If you have enjoyed this episode, subscribe to Market Take wherever you get your podcast.
This material is intended for informational purposes only and does not constitute investment advice, a recommendation, or an offer or solicitation to purchase or sell any securities, funds, or strategies to any person in any jurisdiction in which an offer, solicitation, purchase, or sale would be unlawful under the securities laws of such jurisdiction. The opinions expressed are as of the date of publication and are subject to change without notice. Reliance upon information in this material is at the sole discretion of the listener. Investing involves risks. BlackRock does and may seek to do business with companies covered in this podcast. As a result, listeners should be aware that the firm may have a conflict of interest that could affect the objectivity of this podcast. For more information, visit blackrock.com